Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will teach you how to build a fantastic wood-burning stove for outdoor cooking. It's a great way to enjoy outdoor cooking and prepare delicious grilled meals. Let's get started. First, let's take a look at the materials we will need to build the stove. You will need non-clay stones or bricks, sand, fire bricks or refractory bricks, and a metal roof or an iron sheet. Now that we have the necessary materials, let's begin the process of building the stove. The first step is to draw reference lines on the ground to determine the stove's location. Clean the area and ensure it is free from any obstacles. The second step is to build the outer walls of the stove using the stone or bricks. You can use sand to mortar the stones and reinforce the structure. After completing the construction of the outer walls, we need to install the fire bricks or refractory bricks in the center. This is where you will place the wood and charcoal to ignite the fire and cook the food. Now, securely mortar the fire bricks or refractory bricks using sand to ensure stability. In the final step, we need to cover the stove with a metal roof or an iron sheet to guide the smoke and provide protection. Secure the roof tightly over the stove. And there you have it. We have finished building the wood-burning stove for cooking food. You can now prepare delicious meals in the great outdoors and enjoy a unique and enjoyable cooking experience. We would like to remind you of some important tips when using the wood-burning stove. Firstly, make sure the stove is built in a safe area away from trees and flammable materials. Secondly, ensure that the fire is completely extinguished after using the stove and that the ashes have cooled down before disposing of them. Thank you for watching this video. We hope it has shown you how to easily build a wood-burning stove for cooking food with simple tools. Enjoy the experience of outdoor cooking and savor the delicious meals you will prepare on this stove. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting and informative videos. Thank you once again, and see you in the next videos. Take care.